Hi guys, today I have another PC build. This time it's one from only $250. Please subscribe, it gives me a good feeling and it's free. Let's get started. For the CPU I have chosen the AMD Athlon 200GE. It's a processor with 2 cores and 4 threads and it's clocked on 3.2 GHz. In the box there is also a cooler and it has Radeon Vega graphics. The motherboard is the ASRock AMD A320 DDR4 SDRAM Micro ATX motherboard. That's a whole mouthful. It supports up to 2 RAM slots and it has really much ports. It has 6 USB Type A ports, 1 Ethernet port, a VGA port and 3 audio ports. The RAM is from G-Skill. It's 2x4GB DDR4 memory, clocked at 2400 MHz. Then for the storage. The storage I have chosen is an SSD because it's really cheap. It's the Kingston 120GB A400 SATA SSD. It's a really good SSD for that price point. All the stuff needs to be powered. So, for the power supply I have chosen the Thermaltake Smart 500W 80 Plus White certified power supply. No, it's not the cheapest, but you can better save your money on other things. The last part is the case. It's from CIT F3 Black Max gaming case. It's delivered with a LED strip and an RGB fan. The case is in many different colors. You have it in blue, green, purple, red and white. Okay, it's not a gaming PC, but it's a really good PC for $250. If you like this video, please leave a like, subscribe, it helps me really much, and leave a comment in the comment section down below. Bye!